back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me. So in today's video guys we will show you how to remove or replace a rear window motor. And if your rear window doesn't go up and down and the motor is bad, how to replace it guys. There with us, this one will be on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. Both of the cars guys are the same vehicle under two different names. So let me introduce you to the channel guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can here at the shop. So what do you need to do now guys? We need to remove the panel and all that stuff to get there. So stay with us and we will demonstrate how to do all that now. Okay guys, so we need a small flathead screwdriver now. Okay, this is the screwdriver right here, and there is one cover that we need to remove. Okay, this cover right here. Under this cover there is one screw that we'll need to remove, but there is a hidden cover, okay, right here under the door handle. Check it out. And under that door handle guys, okay, you have one screw and one bolt. Now with a 10mm socket, okay, we're going to remove the bolt. Okay, like that. After that, we need to go ahead and grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, and open the handle, remove that screw. It's a very short screw by the way, so it will drop. Now grab that piece, okay, and pull it out just like that, you can see. Next we need to remove, okay, that screw right there. This is with Torx 30 star looking bit. Okay, came out. Now we need to go ahead. It will be easier if we remove the window switch. You don't have to, but we'll do that so we don't have to worry about any wires. So with a plastic panel too, if you push underneath it, you'll be able to pull it out. Disconnect the wire by pressing there, pulling it out. Perfect. Now, what do we need to do guys? We need to grab, okay, plastic panel removal tool, and you need to start prying the clips out. Okay, you need to find a place, okay, where you can stick it underneath and pull a few clips out. So just grab it this way. Perfect. Now we have to lift it up. Okay, the handle is stuck there, so we need to just see what is happening, but we need to just squish it later and pull it out. But what is happening is just the panel is stuck, okay, on the window. Okay, this thing usually stays on the window, and we're going to show you guys, okay, how to disconnect, okay, the handle in just 1 second. Let us do that quick. Okay, now right here the handle attaches, and these two things, squish them like that and pull the handle out. Okay, this is the handle, and it attaches here as well. One clip here and one clip there, and you can see the panel came out. Now let's see where all the clips are located. And that piece, okay, that piece needs to go on the window. Okay, it goes on the window, okay, like that. It should be there, so you'll be ready to install it later. All the clips guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips. So once you guys remove the window panel, this is your window motor right here. So we're going to get a Torx 25. Okay, this is a star looking bit. Again, all the tools and parts guys will be found in the description of the video below. All we have to do, go ahead and remove 3 screws now. One, 2, 3. So once you guys remove it, okay, next what we have to do, okay, we'll grab it. Okay, that connector now, let me explain now. Okay, for that connector, push it this way. Okay, like that. This unlocks the clip, push down and disconnect it. You'll be able to find the replacement motor that we use in the description of the video below, guys. Here are some of the part numbers and you can see where we purchased ours from. So you get your new motor and all you have to do, you install everything in reverse order that we took things apart. Okay, push in, align it there, it goes in 3 different places. Install the screws, guys. Okay, get those tight, all 3 of them. I'll recommend to start all 3 of them and then start getting them tight, because if you get one tight you might not be able to install the other 2. So start them a little bit. Okay, and just one more on the bottom and then we can retighten all of them. So putting the door panel together, guys, everything else is in reverse order we took it apart. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.